Okay, Tim, run through what we've got here, if you don't mind.
This is a American drone. The Valkyrie.
Yeah.
That's what it's called. XQ-58A. The Americans use them obviously as a drone aircraft flown from the ground, no pilot. This one has flown.
Cool.
But yeah, it won't fly today. I've still got a few issues to sort out with it.
Right.
So yeah, I've got another one, the Australian one I'm making at the moment. So the Ghost Bat.
Right, okay.
Which is, parts are coming off the printer.
As we speak.
Yeah.
These are all 3D printed aircraft.
Yes.
So we've got scale and non-scale aircraft.
Yep.
Here's an unusual one up there, and I'll just reposition so we can get a good look at it. Alright, that bow-shaped aircraft, that just flies like an absolute dream.
Called an Infinity Wing.
And panning to the left, we've got, oh hang on, I'll get a better look at it in just a minute.
Yep, the stickers are coming off.
Alright, I've got the old A4 Skyhawk in New Zealand Air Force.
It is, yes. They had quite a few of them.
Yeah, saw them flying over here one time at the Avalon Air Show.
Yeah, okay.
A long time ago. It was probably the first or second. No, it was the same air show that the Russians turned up at as well.
Yeah, right.
And we've got is that a Venom or a Sea Venom?
It's a vampire.
Oh, right, okay. What are those, Mark? Is that French or Spanish?
French.
French,
yes.
Yeah.
French.
One of the few aircraft that the French actually bought from a third party. They usually like to build their own aircraft.
Yep.
And of course, Aussie classic,
Yes.
the Boomerang. And once again, all of these are 3D printed. There's not a piece of balsa wood anywhere.